Hello children, how are you today? I'm an English teacher, Janara Bulatbekovna. I'm a teacher school lyceum named after Alekhan Bukikhanov. We are beginning our lesson. Pupils, before we start, you should prepare your copybooks and books. Theme of our lesson, use of English, past simple and past continuous. Lesson objectives. Learn about how the past simple and past continuous are used together. Ask and answer questions about what I was doing yesterday at different times. First of all, when we use past simple and when we use past continuous. Okay. We use past simple to express an action that happened at a defined time in the past. Actions that happened immediately one after the other in the past. We use past continuous to express an action that was in progress at a stated time in the past. Two actions that are happening at the same time, and an action that was in progress, long action, when another action interrupted it. Please look at the example. I was eating dinner when he called me last night. What does it mean? It means that between 6:30 to 7:30, I was eating dinner. This action in progress at that time. But at 7:15, he called me. This is completed action in past. Look at the table. In the table, you can see the structure past simple and past continuous. In affirmative, subject plus verb with ending ed or second form of the verb. In negative, subject plus didn't plus verb. And question forms, did plus subject plus verb. There are some keywords in past: yesterday, 2 days ago, 5 days ago, the day before yesterday, last year, in 2019, in December. Past continuous structure in affirmative, subject plus was or plus verb with ing. Negative, subject plus was or plus not plus verb with ing. And question forms, was or plus subject plus verb with ing. And also we have past continuous keywords. At 9 o'clock yesterday, from 4 to 7 yesterday, this time yesterday, all day yesterday, all night, all the morning, while, all week, and as. And differences between when and while. When plus short action we use in past simple tense. While plus long action we use in past continuous tense. For example, I was watching TV when Jim knocked the door. When Jim knocked the door, I was watching TV. While I was watching TV, Jim knocked the door. I hope everything is clear for you. Let's do some exercises. First exercise is exercise 2. You should choose the correct verbs to complete the sentence. For example, Sam was jogging when he got lost. And also exercise 3. Rewrite the sentences in the two different ways. Use when or while. Okay, pupils, let's try to do it by yourself. Next task is exercise 5. You should complete the text with the correct form of the verbs in the brackets. For conclusion our lesson, you should write 6 questions about what you were doing yesterday at different times. Summary of the lesson. Did you understand differences between the past simple and past continuous? How did you use when and while? Did you ask questions about what you were doing? Thank you, pupils. Our lesson is over. Goodbye.